Comprehensive health insurance ba ang hanap mo? Why not try the Sun Fit and Well Advantage? This is a health insurance that will cover you from 15-day-old hanggang 100 years old. Limited pay siya, ibig sabihin pwede mo siyang bayaran ng either 10 years, 15 years or 20 years, depende sa budget na gusto mong i-allocate and sa preferred mong time frame ng pagbabayad. Pero insured ka naman hanggang 100 years old. Itong plan na ito will give you a coverage from diagnosis, treatment or rehabilitation ng mga specific sicknesses na covered nito, no? So it covers 114 major and minor critical illnesses, and if hindi naman tayo nagkasakit ng malala, na-admit lang tayo sa hospital, meron tayong hospital income benefit na binibigay ito based kung gaano katagal tayo sa hospital. Example, kung 2,500 per day ang hospital income benefit natin, tapos 6 days tayo sa hospital, that's gonna be 2,500 times 6 days na hospital income benefit. So, this is for mga mild na mga illnesses like dengue or yung mga hindi pa considered na mga critical illnesses. So, again, in case of malalang sakit, in case of mild na sakit, or if hindi naman nagkasakit, nagkaroon lang ng death, yung insurance coverage will be paid sa family mo. Ibig sabihin, in case magkasakit, ma-hospitalize, or in case of death, may makukuha ang family natin dito. If hindi naman nagkasakit, hindi na-hospitalize, and hindi naman nagkaroon ng death, humaba yung buhay natin, meron tayong tinatawag na mga cash benefits na pwede nating ma-withdraw na hindi mate-terminate yung policy natin. These cash benefits can be in a form of special paid up bonus, dividends, or endowment. If you want to know more about this plan, just message me na my personal account so I can help you. Ingat!